Hello, we are going to add event in the Lambda function. First of all, we will create Lambda function. You can see that. Click on create function, then add the function name. You can write anything else. After that, we are select version of the Python. You can choose any language as you are comfortable. But then we click on the default execution role. After that, use an existing role or either you can create new role. We have selected existing role. You can check the role has permission of the S3 bucket or not. You can see that Amazon EC2 is full access. Amazon. Then we attach policy. When we click the attach policy, then we will search the policy of the S3 bucket. You can see that read only access. Anything else. You can select permission from there. You have also checked that Amazon S3 full access. After that, we will create on after that we will create function. Click on create function. Then you can see that some code written already written in the lambda, but we are replacing it with our code that will write the event fire in S3 bucket. You can see that bucket name, file name. It will write the date time in the S3 bucket file test under file dot text. Test underscore file dot text. After that we will create on deploy. Our function is successfully deployed. Now we are adding the add trigger EventBridge. We will select EventBridge. Either you can choose existing role or create a new role. Now we are creating 1 minute roles that will execute interval of 1 minute. Now we will define rate. It will 1 minute, 1 hour, 24 hour. Yes, you can see that some error occur. I think we have written minutes, but we are now removing s from minutes. Then click on add. You can see that our event bridge is added to our lambda function, and you can also verify schedule is on or not. Then our lambda function is fine. Text.file, you can verify it. Live count is our bucket name. Then we will search the s3. Then go to the bucket. You can see that here is the bucket name, live count data. You can see that live count data modification is, you can check after download our file is modified or not. But you can also see on bucket in column last modified date. You can see that s3 bucket is modified or not. Click on live count. Then you can check the live count last modified column. It will showing 14, 21, 49. Then we will refresh it, and we can see that time is changed now, 14, 22, and 49 seconds. It means our event is working properly. Now we have now integrated event based in lambda function. If any query, you can comment and ask me. Thank you for watching us.